In this video, we are going to be using a music app thing on my 3DS, the new Nintendo 3DS XL that I just got not too long ago. And so I did a recording, and now we're going to listen to it. Okay, so this setting is on deepest voice, slowest speech. Okay, next we have highest, slowest. Okay, sorry about that. Next we have the fastest, highest. Hang on a sec. Okay. Sorry if you missed it. Oh! Alright, and now we have fastest speech, deepest speech, fastest speech. Okay. Alright, and next we have just the original. Oops. Alright, and last but not least, we have the go crazy one. Okay, so start. Oops. Alright, now start. Okay. And I think there is one more. Oh, yes. Backwards. So I'm just going to do it in normal so it's easiest to understand. But there is a backwards setting. So let's still go ahead and do that. Okay. So anyways, guys, there you go. The random voice thing on my DS. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and or subscribe, and I will see you guys later.